Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, just a quick reminder for you guys, if you have not joined my Telegram group chat guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, and we talk about the latest news revolving around the crypto space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. But with that being said, let's jump right into the content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.83 trillion. We're up 8.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing mild green across the board, and a lot of people are saying the bottom has officially been in. But I'm not saying that right now because I want Bitcoin to hit certain price levels before I personally, feel confident that the bottom has officially been reached and we are headed towards the upside. So we will get into the Bitcoin charts later on to see what's exactly going on and what can play out in the next day or so. But today I want to look at none other than XRP. If we're looking at XRP's price right now, guys, XRP is currently trading at $1.05. It's up 1.9% in USD comparative in the last 24 hours. It's also down 1.5% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 6th spot. Market cap right now is $49.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $8.4 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is up 431.3%, and in the last 14 to 7 days, we are down 34.6%, but this should not come as a surprise to anyone because you guys know what happened to the markets over the last 1 week. We saw a major bloodbath across the board, which took the entire markets down with it. So not only XRP is down at these numbers, it's the majority of the altcoins that are down quite significantly right now. So please keep that in mind. And I want to share a very bullish news with you guys for XRP before we deep dive into the charts and see what is exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term for XRP. So Ripple posted this. Our strong momentum in the Middle East, continues with Oman's second largest bank, Bank Dufour, joining RippleNet to enhance the cross-border payment experience from Oman to India. Read more about the new partnership. So I will leave the link in the description box below, and if you guys want to read more about it, you guys can do so. So link will be in the description box below. But this is very bullish, guys. Despite the fact that we are seeing this, SEC lawsuit that's going on, and this next week is very crucial for that SEC lawsuit. But aside from that, guys, this goes to show Ripple is delivering. They are making partnerships. Nothing is stopping them from developing and getting bigger day by day. So that is very bullish in my opinion, and that gets me really excited. So good on Ripple. Like, I would like to send my gratitude towards Ripple, that they keep on delivering despite the fact that they have a major lawsuit going on right now. But still they're still doing big things and expanding RippleNet, and I could not be more proud of Ripple, because at the end of the day, guys, if you guys don't know, a fun fact: Ripple was one of the first projects I invested in back in 2016, and I have a good place for Ripple in my heart, and for the entire community, and I want you guys to do really good, and so it does make me very happy when Ripple does good things, and it keeps delivering and keeps on building. So all congratulations goes to you. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Link will be in the description box below if you guys want to read more about this partnership. But now if we go on to James K. Phil, and he had an update regarding the SEC lawsuit. So this is what he had to post. XRP community, SEC versus Ripple, the case filed its opposition to the SEC letter motion for a discovery conference. Like the SEC's original motion, the opposition was filed under seal, meaning we won't know exactly what this is about until the sealing issue is decided. So, as more updates come, I will keep my XRP community updated at all times. So I just wanted to put that out there. This next week or so is very, very crucial for XRP. So let's see what comes out in the next few days. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on. So I have the Fibonacci retracement level ready to go so we can get right into the content. As you guys can see, guys, XRP is booming right now. We are seeing some crazy things happening with XRP. So basically, since this, bottom, after obviously you guys do not need to be reminded what happened. We saw that Elon FUD come out along with the China FUD, which created Bitcoin price, go towards the downside very sharply. We saw Bitcoin fall to 30K, which took the entire markets down with it. XRP was trading literally at $1.70. We saw it drop from $1.70 all the way down to 66 cents, a 61% drop. But you guys can see this level of support played out very, very important, and we bounced back up from here. And since then, if you got in here, guys, if you got in around here, you are already up 56.75%. So very insane. So first off, before we get into the charts, I want to share one thing with you guys. You guys can clearly see when the markets start recovering, markets move up very, very fast. And this is a perfect example right in front of us, guys. You guys can see markets literally recovered in just a couple of days, just a day or two. We are up 61% roughly. And, as Bitcoin goes up towards the upside, the recovery is going to only get faster. So the moral of the story is you do not want to be shaken out during these times. I know this could be very scary. I know a lot of newcomers are coming into the space, and it could be very scary. Do not get me wrong. I understand these kind of drops could be very scary, guys, but I always say, and I will repeat this over and over again, that as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow in the cryptocurrency space, guys. You do not want to be shaken out during these times, because these kind of wicks do occur, but they do not last too long, and markets can recover very, very fast, especially when we're in a bull market. And also, let's say now we do head towards the upside. Obviously, I'm not saying that's going to happen. We do have to look into the Bitcoin charts, right after this. But let's say we do get back into these levels, right? Into that, 23.6 range, and get towards, head towards the all-time high from 2018. But guys, you guys got to keep one thing in mind. When we are sitting in massive, massive green, let's say you have 2-3x your money, do not get greedy, guys. Just take out some money, take out some profit, and keep that towards the side, or use that for your personal use, guys. Because you guys know these markets are very, very volatile, and nothing is going to go up straight forever in one line. There's always going to be these kind of corrections, consolidation phases that occur in these markets, and we cannot control that. As you guys may know, the cryptocurrency markets are very, very correlated with Bitcoin's price. So, whatever Bitcoin does, it matters a lot for the entire space, guys. So let's say Bitcoin were to fall today, you guys know what's going to happen with XRP. Everything is going to fall down, and obviously XRP is no exception. So that goes to show how important it really is to lock in profits when you do have profits, because as fast as you can make profits in crypto, guys, and that's how fast it's possible for your profits to vanish away as well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I care about each and every one of you guys. All my viewers, I care about you guys a lot. And I have mentioned this on my previous videos. I have been in the markets for a few years. I've made a lot of mistakes, guys. I've lost a lot of money, but what I did, I learned a lot. I've learned a lot over the last years, and I want to share my mistakes I made with you guys, so you guys don't make the same mistakes, so you guys can maximize your profits and play this market perfectly. That's why I say this to you guys, so you guys can, benefit out of it. But at the end of the day, it's only comes down to you, and you guys do what works for you. But so far it's so good. But this definitely could still be a fake out. Now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, why are you saying this could be a fake out? Markets are in a super green mode, and why are you saying that? Let me bring out the BTC chart right for you guys, so we can get a better understanding as to why I'm saying that. So as you guys been, if you guys watched my video for XRP just yesterday, I said, this level of, resistance right now, but it's going to become support when we go above it, is very, very crucial. We need to get above this first, the $43,175 level, and most importantly, we need to get above that $46,400 level for me to, be positive that, the bottom is officially in and we are headed towards the upside. Until then, guys, this definitely could still be a fake out. As you guys can see, we wicked all the way down to that 30K level just a couple days ago when we saw that initial flash crash happen. We saw Bitcoin rebound all the way to $42,500 level. But guess what, guys? Clear fake out. We came down, had a double bottom, and we are headed towards the upside again. And we're seeing the same pattern play out. But now all eyes are on these two targets. We need to get above that. As soon as we get above that, guys, it's game on, and I believe we are headed towards the upside. But we have to hold these levels for at least a day. We cannot just, go up like this and boom, down. No, has to hold around these levels for at least a day for us to be optimistic that the bottom is in. So, if that were to happen, if we were to get to one of these price levels, especially that 46,000 level, I would not be surprised, guys, if XRP gets back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and possibly even the 38.2. But that would be the next target, that 0.50. If I break out the Fibonacci retracement level, I'm sorry, not the Fibonacci retracement level. If I bring out the measuring tool, 0.50 is literally 31.46 away, and you guys know how fast these markets move. So when Bitcoin does get to those levels, I would not be surprised if we get back to this level, because crypto, you guys, do not underestimate the power of XRP. I just shared, the article with you guys early on that, they are keep on delivering and making partnerships, and, they're solving a real world issue like the, transactions. Because if you're sending money by MoneyGram, the transaction costs are absolutely insane. So Ripple solves that. So that's why we're seeing, Ripple expanding, and it's been in the markets for so many years because banks are using it. Some of the big organizations are using it. And on top of that, there's a lot of hype around XRP, and the community is very, very large. And, I do not know like any other community that is big as XRP community and loyal. I remember, when XRP's SEC lawsuit came out, we saw XRP tank, guys, and I saw people accumulating XRP at those prices. I was reading tweets. People were like, I'm buying it. I believe in the XRP's future, and those people are being rewarded heavily. And the community really does matter a lot when it comes to crypto, and XRP has one of the biggest communities when it comes to, the space. So, I believe as soon as we were to hear some sort of positive news and official news that were to come out for this XRP lawsuit, guys, and along with Bitcoin gradually moving up towards the upside, XRP is going to fly through the roof, and we will fly through the all-time high. I'm very, very confident about that. But short, immediate term, right now, obviously, Bitcoin needs to get up to that $46,400 level, and my next price target is in the 0.50 or that 38.2. I would not be surprised if XRP gets there, because markets do tend to recover very, very fast. But so far, so good, guys. Everything is looking very, very nice, but all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. So let's hope Bitcoin does get to that those levels, and we're off to the races. But now, before I end this video, you guys know me. You guys know Crypto ZX keeps it 100% realistic with you guys. I'm not going to say, guys, that we're only going to go up. You guys know Bitcoin is the king. So let's say now, as much as I hate to say it, but, I always have to bring this up because we have to keep things realistic. So let's say now Bitcoin were to come out and say, you know what? goodbye. These big massive whales come out and they're like, you know what, let's shake out the weak hands once again, and they dump their bitcoins right now, which is definitely a possibility. It's not out of the books. If that happens and we go below this level of support and head below to $34,000 level, guys, XRP is no exception. Then we could go back down to these levels once again, and that's a possibility. So we just have to keep things in mind, and these things are a possibility. So we have to keep this in mind for this to occur. But as of now, all eyes are on Bitcoin. Let's hope we can get above these two levels and stay above there, and I believe the game is officially on. But right now, only time will tell. So far so good, but the next couple hours could be very, very crucial. So let's keep a close eye on Bitcoin charts, and let's see what exactly happens. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see XRP trading at the end of June, because the month of June is approaching. So I would love to know your thoughts down below where you could see XRP trading at the end of June. And you guys, do not forget to like this video. It helps out my channel, it helps my video get to a wider audience. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much. And you guys, if you have not joined the Telegram group, guys, what are you waiting for? Come join, link in the description box below. It's free to join. Let's build this community together. But with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.